Could Lordstown Motors start going back up? What's up, guys? It's BigFinance, and today we're going to be talking about Ride, also known as Lordstown Motors. We're going to be talking about why it has been decreasing lately, price targets for it, as well as new news about it. But before we start, please hit the first link in the description. That will take you to my Discord server, where we've been talking about Ride and many other stocks for the past couple of weeks. As well, you're down there, please hit the subscribe button and like button. YouTube has told me that 99% of you guys are not subscribed, so subscribing will help out the channel a lot. So starting out with Ride, it had a very volatile week, as you can see. It started the week out about $22. Then it spiked up on Tuesday to about $25, keep on going up a high of about 27.60 cents, and then on Wednesday it spiked even harder all the way up to $30. The high was around 31, I think, dollars, and then it dropped like after 11:20 a.m. when it hit this high. It started dropping hard, and then on Thursday it just kept on going. It went all the way down to $24 on Thursday, and then it regained itself throughout the day, and then on Friday it was looking pretty good, regained itself, but then it dropped right back down to $25 in that region, going up and down. And right now in aftermarkets is at 24.94 or 24.86 actually. Well, this week was very volatile for it, as it spiked hard up, spiked hard again, and then just dropped like a stone. But there's many things that I could see the stock be very successful at in the near future, just in a couple of weeks or months. And I'll give some price predictions at the end of the video as well. So guys, from Seeking Alpha A, they are talking about how they are on track right now for starting production on September, the start of production timeline. They are on track, as well schedule around or in March. They have 57 endurance trucks that they are going to build for safety test and just seeing how long they can last and how good they are overall. Most of these trucks are from the government for military purposes, as well a lot of other ones are for different other businesses. They just recently got 100,000 pre-orders 3 weeks ago, which is just amazing, and most of these were from big companies. So usually whenever a big company orders a couple thousand or a couple hundred trucks, they rarely cancel them. So this is looking very good for the long term for them. Also, they have a earnings call scheduled for March. So in my opinion, I think this earnings call could be looking good because they have some more outside investors, as well they raise some money. But don't expect a lot from this earnings call, is all I gotta say. They as well have signed a multi-year supplier agreement with LG Energy for batteries for their pickup trucks and all of them. And then let's talk about the last week. As you can see, it got up here to about $30.66 for its high on Wednesday, and then it kept on dipping down. Then here I have the price targets and the support and the resistance are. But as you can see that right here, it usually dips down and then it starts going up. It doesn't like level out. Like here it levels out, then it will dip down, and then it'll start having these jumps upwards. You can see that in most of them right here. It dips down, start having these spikes jump upwards, goes up, and then it starts going down. So what I think is going to happen, I think it's going to level out a little bit more right here. Then most likely it's going to spike down to, I'd probably say right now, to about $24.50, $24 right now. And then it'll start spiking back up like we see right here. This is what I see could happen in the next couple of weeks over here. Then if we go over here, right now I have the resistance set at $24 a share, because underneath that, as I have seen, if it goes underneath 3% or 4%, or right here it would be $24, it will start dropping. If it does break this and it starts going lower than this, I could possibly see this drop down to $20. We have seen that happen before, where it went up to $29 and then a couple of weeks afterwards it dropped. But I don't really see it breaking the support. Now with the resistance, I put it at $26. It takes usually 3 or 4% as well of it going up before it can break resistance and start spiking upwards. But like I said, it's probably going to stay level, maybe go up a little bit,
but then it's gonna dip down and then start spiking up. That's what I could see happen. And then for my price predictions, I could see the next couple of weeks, Ride hit $30 a share. As you can see back here, like what happened on Wednesday, reach up above $30 a share. See same thing right here. Like this is the stance we are at. It went up and then it has gone down and then gone down a little bit more, trickle up a little bit, stayed even, drop down, and then start spiking up. I'll see this. I'm pretty sure we'll see the same thing happen right here. And I have a price target for the next couple of weeks, so 2 to 4 weeks. I could see it get back up there to $30. And then for when they start production, end of quarter 3, start of quarter 4, somewhere around September, I could see it hit $40 as it starts production. Like how we saw with Halion and other companies when they started production with their EV, they just spiked up. As well, I could see in the next couple of weeks as well following the trend of Workhorse, as that as well has been doing great lately. Workhorse is right now at $34. I could see Ride following that as well. Usually when Workhorse does well, Ride does well, and that's what we saw Wednesday. But after Wednesday, started trickling down while Workhorse kept on making its way upwards. But I could see Ride sooner or later start following Workhorse as well, reach up to that $30 mark. And then the start of production, I could see it reach $40. So this as a long-term stock, I see this to be very well. This looking out into the long term, the next couple of years, I could see big gains on it, and is as well, in my opinion, a much safer stock than a couple other stocks we talk about on this channel.
So guys, with Ride, it looks very well for long term. I'm going to keep on holding my shares out for another good 6 to 12 months. As well, please remember that I'm not a financial advisor, and everything said in this video was made for entertainment purposes. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see ya.